Hi my dear students, welcome to botany classes. In this previous classes we discussed about characteristic features of the virus and structure of virus and bacteriophage. In this video I am going to explain the structure of TMV. What is TMV? TMV is nothing but tobacco mosaic virus. And the TMV has a historical significance because the TMV was the first discovered virus in the year of 1892. In the year of 1892 by the great scientist Ivanovsky. He was the Russian botanist and microbiologist. And the TMV is first crystallized virus in the year of 1935. In the year of 1935 by the scientist Stanley. And it was the first plant virus and it contains RNA is the genetic material. In the previous classes we discussed about the general characteristic features of the virus. The genetic material either may be DNA or either may be RNA. In this plant virus the genetic material is RNA, ribonucleic acid, and it's shown, the virus is shown to be RNA and protein substance. Why it is called as TMV? This virus is first observed Ivanovsky, the scientist Ivanovsky, in the tobacco plant. In the tobacco plant, and in the tobacco plant, it is scattered in small patches. The virus are found into a small patches scattered throughout the leaves. It is look like mosaic. It look like mosaic structure because the virus is named as tobacco mosaic virus. ಈ ವೈರಸ್ಸು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕವರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು in the year of 1892 scientist Ivanovsky, and it was the first crystallized. He was only identified the virus is found into the tobacco plant, but it cannot be separated from to the tobacco leaves. That work is done by, that work is made by the scientist Stanley. In the year of 1935 it was crystallized and identified RNA is the genetic material of that virus, and its structural component of that virus is RNA and protein. The first observed in tobacco leaf, and it is look like in mosaic manner because the name as tobacco mosaic virus. It is not only found into the tobacco plant, it is also found into the tomato plant and other plants like Solanaceae family. Solanaceae family means in the PUC level you have to study in the taxonomical study. The Solanaceae is a group of the plant ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಅದು Solanaceae ಅನ್ನೋದು. ಲೈಕ್ ಬ್ರಿಂಜಾಲ್, ಬದನೆಕಾಯಿ ಅಂತ ಓದ್ತಾರೆ, ಲೈಕ್ ಪೊಟ್ಯಾಟೊ, like tomato, like tobacco plant. This all comes under to the Solanaceae. The virus is not only found into the tobacco plant, and it is also found into the tomato and some plants of Solanaceae. Okay, it is clear. And next move on. The structures, the symptoms of the TMV. The first mosaic patterns of the leaf. Like for example, assume that it was the tobacco plant and is found into like a small patches on the surface of the tobacco leaf. It's look like mosaic patterns. And mottlings and necrosis. The leaf it become the curling and stunting, and green leaves is converted into the yellowish in nature. These are the symptoms of tobacco mosaic virus. It is affected on the tobacco leaf. Okay, and next move on. Structure, very important. The question can be asked in 5 marks. Explain structure and draw a neat label diagram of tobacco mosaic virus. The structure of tobacco mosaic virus. It was the best studied. It was the best studied virus because it was a rod-shaped, helical in nature, and naked capsid virus. Come here. Okay, these are the structure of tobacco mosaic virus. These are the structure of tobacco mosaic virus. It was the rod shaped in nature and helical in manner, and naked capsid. In the previous class, we discussed about the structure of bacteriophage and virus. Some of the following parts you have to study. Like the first one is core, and another one is capsid, capsomere, and next one is envelope. What is envelope? The envelope, it is an additional layer surrounded by the capsid. Envelope ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? ಅದೊಂದು additional layer capsid ಸುತ್ತ ಏನಾದರೂ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನು ಕರಿತೀವಿ? Envelope layer ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Envelope layer is absent. Envelope layer absent ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಕರಿತೀವಿ? Naked capsid, and it was arranged in helical manner and rod shape because the TMV is the rod shape. TMV is rod shaped and helical in manner and naked capsid virus. The length of TMV is 300 nanometer. The length of tobacco mosaic virus is 300 nanometer, and the width is only 18 nanometer. The length is 300 nanometer and the diameter is only 18 nanometer. And the central opening of this virus is 4 nanometer. The central opening is 4 nanometer. And the very important next one is called as capsid. It was made up of the capsid. What is capsid? Capsid is a one layer. It is a protective layer covered by the or protected by the genetic material of RNA. ಅಂತ ನಾವು structure of viruses ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓದಿದ್ವಿ. Like capsid ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾವೇನು ಕರಿತೀವಿ? Capsid layer ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Capsid layer is made up of what? Capsomere. Capsid layer ಯಾವುದರಿಂದ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? A small unit of capsid is called as capsomere. A many identical capsomere is made capsid. Okay, like capsid it was made up of 2130 identical capsomere. The capsid is made up of 2130 identical capsomere. Each capsomere is consisting of 158 amino acid. Like, okay, these are the capsid, and it is the one capsomere made up of how many amino acid? It is made up of 158 amino acid. What is amino acid? It is a molecule of protein. Because we say that the virus to be shown to contain RNA and protein. ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಪ್ರೋಟೀನು? ಪ್ರೋಟೀನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಸೋಮಿಯರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ. Capsomere is made up of each single capsomere is made up of 158 amino acid, and at the central it is presence of single stranded RNA. At the central it was the presence of single stranded RNA. These RNA also in helical in manner. ಈ RNA helical manner alide. The RNA is consisting of 6395 nucleotides. The RNA is consisting of 6395 nucleotides. Okay, it's clear. These are the structure of tobacco mosaic virus. The question can be asked, structure and diagram of tobacco mosaic virus. You have to draw this diagram, and the TME is a rod shaped helical naked capsid virus. The length of TME is 300 nanometer and diameter is 18 nanometer, and central opening is 4 nanometer. The opening of central is 4 nanometer, and it was made up of 2130 capsomeres. Each capsomere is made up of 158 amino acid, and it was presence of single stranded RNA. RNA is also helical in manner. The RNA is consisting of 3695 nucleotides, and these RNA is attached. This RNA is attached to the what? Capsomere. Capsomere attach ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ rod shaped structure ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ. Okay, it was the structure of tobacco mosaic virus. Later it will be discussed about papaya leaf curl virus, PLCV. The question can be asked 3 marks in your examination, or expand PLCV, or expand TMV, or draw a neat label diagram of TME, or draw a neat label diagram of bacteriophage. Okay, these are the question can be asked in your first unit virus. The viruses ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ type question ಕೇಳಬಹುದು, and remaining it will be second unit, it will be explained into the next video. Thank you, one and all.